All right, so I'll be giving a demo on DocSpace, which is a website which has been built in order to support a healthy environment between doctors as well as hospitals by supporting and ensuring credible users and easing out the process of applying for jobs, posting jobs, which is a really tedious task right now for in the medical field. So let me just first show the UI, which will be seeing if you first, sign up as a doctor for the first time. So I'll just be entering a random address for now. And so this is the home page, and basically it has got all the news, updates, and the steps how to get started, the numbers of the website. These are the main features. Before moving on to any other feature, let's talk about the most important feature, which is of finding jobs. Now, this is where all the jobs will be shown up, which have been posted by the hospitals, and we have implemented a very optimal search feature here. What happens is that you can apply all these filters, and the order in which the filter will be applied, priority will be given to that. So let me first show you how this will work. So if I search on the base of department, you can see it happens. Let me now do the city first. Now I can search on the base of city, so this filter will be applied first. I can then enter the maximum years of experience. So let us say 10 is the numbers of experience that a doctor has. So these are all the jobs in Shimla which have the experience less than 10. And so on, as we'll keep on applying the filters, the priority will be given to the to the filter which will be applied first. So it is quite optimal. But as you can see here, that the doctor right now cannot apply to any job, he can just see them. So in order to apply, you must complete your profile. And this redirects the doctor to this page, the resume page. So here you have to complete your profile. I'll end the random data for now. So once the profile is submitted successfully, uh, here is the main feature. Verify. So basically, in order to, as I also talked about in the beginning, that we will be only ensuring that credible users are available. So in order to, avoid phishing and fake users, only credible doctors, right? So that it becomes a healthy environment for both the hospitals who are posting the jobs as well as other doctors. So this is the page where the doctor must submit these two documents and this council, the state council under which he got registered as well. I'll right now and give just fake documents, dummy documents for now, just to show how the process will work. And yes, so once you submit it, this is where the this is where the admin role comes in place. So I'll enter the credentials of admin to show the admin dashboard. So this is the admin dashboard. The home page is pretty much the same, but these are the two features, the dashboard and the hospital. So hospital we go afterwards. The dashboard is the page where all the doctors who have submitted for verification and have pending verification will show up. So basically the doctors who have submitted their resume as well as license and ID as well. So now the admin has three options. He can view the resume, the license as well as the ID, which are for now fake documents. Now basically what we'll do is there is another option that is the run AI check. So basically, this is just an assisting feature for the admin. Now, what will this do is it will take these two details. That is now basically here are two details two features which we have implemented in the backend. One is the Playwright service and another is a ML service which uses a Google Vision API. And so basically now for the Playwright service first, what it does is it implements it takes the name as well as the registration number of the doctor, which it sees here, and it enters it on this website. Now, what this website is, it is the official medical registry search website of India, where all the doctors who are, who have been registered under a state council are present. So it enters these two details here and it returns the result. Since I entered fake data for now, it could not find a user, as you can see, with this particular name. So, and also from the license as well as the ID, it could not extract useful info, so it got 0% score. Let me run this on a user who has entered credible info, that is the name and the registration number are proper, as well as the license and ID are actual license and ID documents in order to show how this feature would work. And again, this is just a assisting feature, we never rely completely on AI to, itself approve or reject a particular user because it could lead to, some error, and we want to be errorless in this process. So as you can see, this time it did return a 90%, and it, as you can see here from the IMR website, it matched the user and the results are matching. So this is the OCR results. That is, after applying OCR on both of these PDF, it could extract useful data and match it with the profile that the doctor entered. Now there are two options for the admin: approve or reject. If it approves, it is straight away approved. But if the admin rejects, he can optionally send a rejection message. Let's reject this user for now. So we have rejected. Now let me show you what shows up on the doctor's end who, posted for submission and he got rejected. So as you can see very clearly, you see that you have a new update. So as you can see, verification was rejected. And if you go to the verify button, you will here also see that the verification was rejected, and you can review and resubmit your documents below. And you also see the message which we entered there as the reason. Now, before talking about further features of the doctor, now let me show you what is the UI if you first time enter as a hospital. Okay, so let me just enter random data again for depiction purposes. And yeah, so we sign up. So this is the hospital's homepage. So again, this includes just basic info about our website and the news and contact info at the footer. So now again, the one of the main features is posting the jobs and seeing the jobs that you have done. We'll come to these later, but as you can very clearly see, our website indicates a warning that in order to post, not even a warning, in order to post a job, you have to be a verified hospitals. Again, uh, promoting a healthy environment and only trusted jobs. So in order to get verified, you must complete your profile and send that for verification. I'll just enter random data for now. So again, the process is very much the same as for the hospitals. You must enter these documents in order to be a verified user. So I'll just enter again dummy data for now. And these two certificates can also be handed in by the hospital, but they are optional. It will just assist in, but the above three documents are compulsory. And once you submit for verification, it will show up a pop-up or a warning which is showing that, if you submit it once, you cannot no longer change your hospital profile until, you get your with the verification status. And if we successfully verify the hospital, the profile is logged in forever, so that, the hospital after getting verified does not change it or anything like that. So let's just once again go to the admin. This time we'll see how the hospital and is working up. So this is the hospital's page. This will show up all the, hospitals which have been verified, which are, sorry, which have submitted for verification their documents. So this is just a previous tail entry. Let's ignore this. As you can see right here, this is the one which we submitted just below. So as you can see, this is the resume, and this is the verification status as pending. You have again two options here, and again, so these are the documents. Now the admin has the options to view the documents, obviously on the basis of which he'll be verifying or rejecting it. And another AI and insights option has been added in the hospital side as well in order to, it is just to support or just help in a faster uh, process of verifying, because with the help of AI, the user will be able to, the admin will be able to pinpoint the mistake quite fast as compared to manual lookup. So basically, since now what happens in this is we have used again OCR of Google Vision and an LLM that is of Gemini. And with the help of both of those, we generate these results. So as you can see that the confidence score is low because it was a fake document. So confidence score will be returned in either three of out of low, medium, and high. So let me just do this AI insight on someone who has actually submitted a certificate of registration. And if you see, we can run the AI insights here. And so basically, again, the power of approving or rejecting any hospital at the end of the day lies in the hands of the admin only, not in AI or any other thing like that. So as you can see, these are the extracted fields with the help of OCR, which it extracted. But again, the content score is low, but this is because, uh, of many things, because the profile actually does not matches the registration certificate which I entered. So that is all the observations, and that is, as you can see, it does not match in the hospital profile. So observation is flagged, it will enter and return a low. The same can be done for other two files as well. But yeah, that is it. So now let us get back to the hospital which we did right now. This. So since we rejected the previous doctor, now let's verify and see what happens on the UI UX of the hospital. So let me once again sign up with the same credentials. Uh, so as you can see again, the hospital has a update and it shows that your hospital has been successfully verified, and now the hospital can start posting jobs because it has been verified. So now, in order to show you the other features of the doctor as well as hospital, I have already two IDs which have been set up by me. So we'll be doing that through those IDs. So let me first show you the hospital end. So this is already a verified hospital, and basically, let's just post a job, right? So let me just enter again random data for now, and this will lead to posting job openings. And from here, the hospital can see all the jobs it has posted, right? So this is the job which I posted right now, right? We can also edit the job if we want to edit anything. So it got edited as well. And here we'll be able to see who all have applied for this particular job. Now, let's go to the doctor's end and see how to, apply to any job. So as we have seen right now that we entered a job right now, so it becomes visible right here. And since this doctor is already verified, he can apply, right? So once the he has successfully applied, right? So we can go again to the hospital end, and under jobs, and under this job, we see that there is a doctor. Right now, the hospital can view the resume of the doctor, right? A bit of same as of the admin end, right? And on the basis of that, it can approve or reject it. Let us approve this and let us set up interview date. And yeah, so this is we have set up an interview date as well. Now, on the doctor's end, you will be able to see these changes reflect. So as you can see again, the doctor has a new update. So this is that the application has been approved and the interview date is this. Further contact uh, can be made through our website as well, which I'll be showing a bit later. As you can see here also, it will be showing the jobs you apply to, which all have been approved and which all are pending and everything. And the stats as well are being shown here. Now, apart from this, the another helpful feature which we have implemented, in order to truly promote a healthy and safe environment, it is of chatting, right? So basically what any other hospital can also do, it can find a doctor, so I can find a doctor which was the one which, so and by any name we can find Okay, so apart from this, there is also a chat feature which we have implemented. So, you can chat with others as well, right? So as you can see right here, I can chat with others as well. And yeah, so that's pretty much it.